University of Education Winneba has initiated a project aimed at supporting teachers who teach physics across the country. According to the university, many teachers who teach the subject have the misconception that the subject is difficult, and such misconceptions have been transferred to students, resulting in many of these students not doing very well in the subject. Now, the head of the Department of Physics has been speaking after a day's workshop for tutors who teach physics in the Central Region. There is more in this report.
Actually, we realize that most of these teachers who are actually teaching at the senior high level, they themselves are carrying a whole lot of misconceptions, so they don't understand some of the concepts that they are teaching.
The head of Department of Physics at the University of Education Winneba, Dr. Gloria Ama, explains why there are issues of misconception as far as the teaching of physics in Ghana is concerned.
So we are expecting them that once they have come and we have taught them and they have seen some of these misconceptions, they will go out there and correct, and they will also be able to transmit the correct concepts and then the theories we have for better understanding of the students.
She says the university has identified a challenge and is harnessing a solution to that.
Once this first one was for the Central Region, we hope to carry it along to the other regions. We actually want to help because we realize that we have few teachers in physics. So we want to do this to encourage more of our students who are taking physics as like a monster, so they are not able to venture into physics. If we are able to help them understand these concepts and theories better, they will have the interest in physics to take it up, and we are expecting that in the next future or near future we will be able to have more students to train so that they will also go out there and continue.
A lecturer at the Department of Physics, Dr. Desmond Apia, says the workshop will be a major boost towards the teaching of physics in the country.
So some of the misconception, as we all realize, is that some or most teachers even do not know that density is a characteristic property. In that sense, the density of a material, irrespective of the size of the material, is still the same. But funny enough, most teachers and students are so quick to define or to write the formula of density, but then do not know the significance of density itself. So you recognize that from some of the questions which were given to them, most of them were not able to, because after they are done with the calculations, they don't know the significance of the calculations, and that they don't compare it to the concept to know whether it actually conforms to the concept or not. And also, we're able to use improvised techniques to depict to teachers how they will be able to explain why ships will sink deeper in fresh water than in sea water.
The university says it is its mission to train competent professional teachers for all levels of education, as well as conduct research, disseminate knowledge, and contribute to educational policy and development.